Hello guys, I want to introduce you a little bit in the more optimal way of using SketchUp with the plan that we use together in the class. So I will take a step-by-step guide in order for you to understand, and the one that are a little bit behind to understand as well what are the steps in this. First, as you know, we go and start modeling. Okay, so we start from scratch. Please also you start from scratch to understand how this works. There is the one thing important is that when you create a new model, it will remember the measuring units. So unfortunately, it doesn't work as I knew it would. So this one you have to create from the start with the correct measuring units. This means you go directly, let everybody pick meters. So it's easy. Okay, we arrived in this point. We see this guy, we see the plan, everything works. We click the middle mouse button, okay, and we have this rotation, and we click the shift together with the middle mouse button of the wheel, and we can drag it like this, okay, like this with the shift, and without the shift we rotate. Okay, so this is how we navigate in SketchUp. Second, let's save it. So we go to this, and then we write here a name, which is small house. For me it will be 2 because I tested a little bit before. Let's load the model now. Let's load the picture. So we go to the this hamburger menu is called because it has these 3 dots. We go to this, we go to import. On from my device, I hope everybody downloaded that picture, and we have the simple house plan, okay, the one that we use as image. We put it, I don't know, from the origin. Let's put it like this, from the origin. We click once without keeping the mouse clicked. We just drag it somewhere, doesn't matter. And then we arrived in this situation that we have the picture on the screen. Now, again, middle click or the wheel, we keep the wheel pressed and we rotate it a little bit. We keep the shift, we navigate. One important thing for this is that we want to be able to see it from above. And looking on the right side menu, you see all those things that some you used, some you didn't. One thing that I don't think you used yet is the scenes. We have in the free version of the SketchUp predefined scenes. Okay, we go to the scenes and we have the standard views. Okay, and those are very helpful, especially for you if you are not very familiar with SketchUp at this point, to automatically change to the correct rotation. So, for example, if we click Plan View top, you will see we will go in this view, which helps you a lot. Clicking on those things opens them. Clicking again on them will close them. So we are in this position. We have the picture. What we want to do is to be able to hide it if we want. So in order to be able to hide it as needed, once we create the plan on top of it, we want to hide it and show it and see what's behind and so on. For this purpose, we want to create the tags. Okay, so the tags are things to group items in SketchUp. So opening the tags, we click on the plus and we create a tag called picture. So we have a dedicated tag for this. Once we created this tag, this doesn't have any reaction now, but again, we have to be careful to use this arrow tool. Then we go to entity info. We have selected the model. Okay, so if we are like this, and we go to entity info, which gives us information about the selected thing, the selected object. Nothing happens. If I click on this, then I have information about size, dimensions, and so on. But what I'm interested in is this tag, is called untagged. Okay, I want to tag it as a picture. Now it's marked that it's a picture. I can add multiple pictures, all of them added with the same tag. What is interesting here is that now I have actions from the tags. If I go from the tags, I see the picture here. If I click the eye, it will hide it. If I click the eye again, it will show it. And this helps a lot.